Every traveler knows the harrowing moment when you reach into a toiletry bag and feel the leakage from toiletry bottles that failed to do their job. To help you avoid the frustration of cleaning up potentially expensive liquids on your next trip, we lab tested 14 sets of toiletry bottles to uncover the best, most leak-proof options for hassle-free travel. Number 1. Livis Snugs Premium Silicone Travel Bottles. Simple yet very effective, this set of 4 toiletry bottles comes with 2 3-ounce bottles and 2 2-ounce bottles. The lids can be unscrewed to easily fill the containers with all types of liquids, thanks to the wide mouth opening that makes cleaning out and drying the bottles a breeze too. While watery liquids can be risky to pack, these silicone bottles kept oily and runny micellar water perfectly contained, even after we applied intense pressure to the bottles. Plus, the squishy silicone material is ideal for squeezing out every last drop of the product from the dripless valve, which makes them a money-saving travel product. We tried several silicone bottles over our 6-month test to determine which ones were the best. These stood out by being completely leak-proof, pliable yet sturdy, and durable. One of our favorite features is the removable sticker labels that help identify the contents of each bottle with common products like lotion, conditioner, and shampoo pre-printed. Number 2. Moen 16-pack travel bottles. For short or long trips and everything in between, the Moen travel bottle set comes with all of the containers you'll ever need. The 16-piece kit includes silicone bottles, plastic spray bottles, screw-top jars, a funnel, mini spatulas, and a scrub brush for cleaning. But of course, you can easily mix and match the containers to fit your exact needs. Not all of the bottles are the same size, with 1 to 3 ounce capacities for storing as much or little product as desired. And all of the bottles have removable lids and wide openings for pouring liquids in or cleaning them out. Plus, if you need some help getting liquids into the bottle or extracting the last drops, the mini funnel and spatulas are extremely helpful extras. Number 3. Matador FlatPak Toiletry Bottle. Matador's toiletry bottles are the ultimate space-saving containers thanks to the fabric pouch design that can lie nearly flat after being filled with liquids. Our favorite part of these 3-ounce pouches is the snap hook at the end of the bag to attach to a backpack or bag. We also love that the hooks double as labels that can be written on with a permanent marker to quickly identify the contents of each bag. While we had a bit of trouble getting thicker creams into the bottom of the rectangular-shaped pouch, it was effortless to fill the smaller opening with watery liquids like shampoo. After beating up the bags a bit, there weren't any spills, ruptures, or breakage, so we feel confident that these rugged toiletry pouches have a long life ahead. Number 4. VOG Travel Bottles Kit. One of the best parts of testing a variety of toiletry bottles is discovering that the least expensive set can still rival a pricier alternative. This 11-piece kit has spray, pump, and screw-top bottles, so you can fill each one with various liquids or use the 2 jars for jewelry and medication. The clear bottles are ideal for being able to see how much product is in each container and when it needs to be refilled. We had no issues filling each container with micellar water and shampoo, but we had a bit of trouble getting the thicker lotion to filter through the funnel. However, once everything was filled up, these budget-friendly bottles stood up against our drops and tosses without even the tiniest droplet escaping. Number 5. Mrs. Dry Travel Bottles. The color palette of this set of 4 toiletry bottles is one of the prettiest and most helpful of all the toiletry bottles we tried. Each silicone tube is a different shade, so it's easy to designate a specific color to a liquid and tell them apart. And after 6 months of use, we loved that we didn't have to worry about missing labels. There are also additional sets with more colors, so you're not limited to just 4 different hues. The 3-ounce capacity is ideal for bringing plenty of shampoo, conditioner, or other liquids on both short and long trips, and the squishy silicone material makes it easy to dispense from the no-drip valve. We did find it a little difficult to squeeze out the remaining product when the bottle was almost empty, but that was our only slight issue.